16 maker space here in Miami, Florida, and eventually we're going to expand to Atlanta, and eventually we'll go to all the other states. So the purpose of this cleanup is just to give everybody a glimpse of what the space looks like so they can see the before, and then they can also see the after once it's done, and hopefully no later than the year. So I'm just gonna walk you through the vision for the space, and then we're gonna go ahead and get started. So this section would actually still be for mechanic, electricity, innovation, so kids can build cars, and they'll start off with go-karts in regards to how the future is actually changing with these electric cars. Now,
what is so incredible about this space is that it is embedded right here in our own community. And so often we think that we have to look outside of our communities for the resources to engage our young people, to teach them the skill sets so that they can get the jobs of the future. And in reality, it's people like S.E.E.K, it's the team that she's built who are based right here in Opa-Locka, born and bred, and it's them putting their resources together, putting their energy and power together to do something incredible for this place.
So we will have this open space with all the materials that would be lined up on the wall with whatever sensors they may need, LED lights, whatever equipments they may need in regards to building robot. This open space would be their worker space.
You know, there's so many great STEM programs across Miami-Dade, whether it's in schools or other institutions, but a lot of that can be based around theory. What I love about this space and what encouraged us to support it at the foundation was that it was focused on application. And so it's more than just books and reading, it's the young people, their ability to actually touch and build the things and create from the ground up. And when you allow young people to create in that way, it has so many more applications for their life. It teaches them that so much of their future is within their own control. And that if you focus on understanding what you need to do and learning how to apply, delayed gratification and commitment to your community and commitment to your family and commitment to yourself and your own education and future, the more I know we can get our young people where they need to be because they've got it all within them. It's just up to us to help them discover it.